Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of drawing this new kind of tessellation. I was just playing around with it, and if we take one of the pieces that we started with, and we just draw, let's just draw a circle, and maybe put the circle like right there, and then Control D and duplicate it while holding down the Shift and the Control button, have it grow. And then Control D again, and just make a bunch of circles. Now, if we take those circles, and first what I'm going to do is grab my tessellation, and we should be able to grab all the circles, and then just take the Smart Fill tool, and let's use red so it'll kind of stand out, and let's color. Well, I said I was going to pick red. Let's pick every other red ring. And this will kind of give it a unique look to our tessellation. Now I should be able to grab my tessellation and nudge it out of the way. I got a couple of rings that we can take away. Now we need to group this together, Control G. And so this would be a really easy start one. And then we're going to rotate from there. So we're going to Control D to make a duplicate. And then we're going to put it right there on that, should be right on the node. And then we're going to rotate it 120 degrees. Control D. And there's our tessellation. Really weirdly, I mean, it came out completely different than the one earlier that I did. We're going to grab that sharp point and put it right there. Then you could just keep going. And I mean, look at the possibilities. And if you look at the lower left or lower part of the screen, you can see I've been playing around with another one. I didn't make a copy. That's always irritating. If you have snap to it, should snap right to it. But there is so much going on, and I didn't really group them together. Anyway, look at the difference in the two patterns. Now, if you want to stay tuned for part 3, my really quick rendition of a bird, a parrot, and a man, what I came up with this shape. So stay tuned for part 3. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.